All right, so let's go over the rings. These are all good to go now. So you've done the 50-inch mock-up, but we're not going to use that one because the mounting things have our mounting points are changed. So all of the rings have gone to a 3-point mounting system. But how you built that 50-inch mock-up is how we're going to build it. The only little differences are the bigger ones here are in multiple pieces. So I'm just going to go over how I'm seaming those together. But otherwise, it's going to be just like you built the mock-up. So there's not much. You can check out that other video too if you need a refresher. So the difference is the 1/4-inch rings are going to be in multiple pieces, and I went ahead and made these little seam pieces to sit on top. So these will be on top of the ring, and that's going to help hold it all together. So you're just going to lock those in, tack it up, and then go ahead and burn it. And that's just, like I say, that's going to sit on top. That way those are out of the way, and that's going to give you some strength until you can get all the returns put on and all that. So that's really the only difference. Same thing here. Your main rings here are going to be in multiple pieces, your face rings. So you're going to want to make sure that you stagger your seam pieces. So kind of get a lay of the land first before you get cracking, and make sure that your return seams stagger the seams on the faces. And then just go ahead and burn those up real good, and maybe clean them up so the lens will fit nice. So yeah, so it'll be fun. These are going to be big old noodles, so just try to hold it together as much as possible and do the best you can. Same thing with you've got all your return materials here. I have them marked, so these are your 50s, and I believe I went ahead and made one of these 1 inch long, like we talked about, so that way you can shave it off and make it fit up nice. You've got 4 50s, 3 of the 86s, you've got 1 98, and you got 2 122s. So that's all the return materials you need. You've got inside and outside. I believe the double mark is inside. Looks like it because these are shorter. I'll have to review because I made these a while ago. We'll check that out. And I think a second mark is as outside. Let's see. Yeah, it says right there. 1 mark is outside, 2 marks is inside. And remember, you want to roll that to the outside and to the inside. Roll in and then roll that out so it fits in, so the tabs go in. So yeah, and then there's that extra inch on each piece. So anyway, like I say, just like you just did on the 50, everything's the same, but just you're going to be dealing with all these seams and multiple pieces. So that's it. And then your lenses are going to be broken up into multiple pieces as well. And they'll just have to deal with the seams when they install it. Let's see. So I got it laid out though. So there's your 09. Here's your 09 faces and top rings, and each of those is broken up into the sizes. So there's all your 50 rings, there's all your 86s, there's your 98s, and your 122s, and then all your top rings. And like I say, keep an eye out for these little nuggets right here. Those are your seam pieces. So that should be it. Good luck. Hope it's all good.